Here we are on the Canisteo River once again. Looks like we might get some rain, but hey, what season is it? It's golfing season. See how high the waters were here. I think we're gonna take it right down here if it's not too slippery. Okay, let's get our first toss out here. Okay, we got a nice current out here. And we got some nails. What do we have here? We got some kind of hook. We got what looks like a broken railroad spike. I think we might take it down a little farther here. Got some kind of metal here, looks like sheet metal or something, I'm not sure. Oh, what do we have here? Something silvery. We got a toenail clipper, look at that baby. Huh. Okay, nice piece of chunko metal right there. Don't know what that is. And something right here, kickstand. Getting scraps each time here. Okay, got something right there, don't know what that is. And some nails. You got a dangler. Curly Q, must be from a fence or something, maybe, I don't know. And looks like an old nail right there. One of these old nails, and a bunch of scrapola. Okay, more nails. That's a nice nail right there. A nice old nail. Sorry, I got my big old gloves on, but it's cold out. We got more nails, something right there. I don't know what that is. Maybe a safety pin. A 1980s punk rocker, but it's out from Addison. Make sure my thing's tightened up. Very loose. Lost one past winter. Okay, a bunch of nails. Look at all these nails. I always find tons of nails here in Addison. And we have chunko metal right there. And we have a bunch of stuff right there. the old arm isn't up to full strength yet. Okay, more nails. We're really nailing it today. Here, look at this. Check that puppy out. Big old piece of metal right there. Chunk of metal and a bunch of nails. Big old nail right there. And some nails there. I hear peepers. Now it might have been a bird. Oh, nice old nail right there too. Nail. Kind of weird looking piece of metal right there. Ooh. We got some fishing line right here. Got a whole mess right there. Put that in there, get rid of that. What is this? Some kind of valve stem. Check that out. Let's see, that's a Vulcan sign. And Spock was here. Oh. Got a J for Juliet right there, and a bunch of nails. Something. Oh, I might have something big here. No, just rocks, I think. Thought I got something big, but I just might have got snagged on a rock. We'll see. Feels like I got something. Just chunks of metal. Got something on there, kicking up some mud, but not much. Just some nails, more nails. Ooh, that's a nice old one right there. Look at that one. And we got a can right down here. Oh, oops. Can, keeping it clean. Okay, more scrap. What is this? Is that an old spark plug there? Check that out. And we got a ton of nails again. We got a bunch of junk on here. I don't know what that's, some kind of brace thing. Look at all this spiral thing here. Oh, what is this? It's like a mouse trap, maybe? I don't know. It might be a top off a can, like for canning. Check that out. Some kind of thing here. Looks like another canning lid top. Got this thing here, whatever that is. Look at that. And a bunch of nails again. Okay, some nails there again. And look at that. Some kind of something there. More nails. Do a couple more throws. Don't want to outdo my arm here. Maybe one more. Oh, what's this? Oh, I got one of these before. Look at that. Looks like a door or drawer handle. Check that out. Okay, I'm calling it a day here. How you doing? Yeah, you on the golf team or something? Or? Yeah, this might be yours. There's another one laying down here somewhere. Yeah, they're right down there. Yeah, right there.
Oh, so many balls ahead.
Yeah. Oh, there's another one over here too. Yeah, huh? Yeah, right there. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
That's not even full power. That's just contact.
Yeah. Just getting some swings in and practicing, huh? Wow. You're out here clubbing them? Keep at it, man. Keep at it. Have fun with it, too. Whatever you do, have fun at it.
Welcome to Prime Time Magna Fishing, where history meets adventure beneath the water's surface. Join us as we embark on a journey, tossing our powerful magnets into rivers, lakes, and canals, pulling up relics of the past, mysterious artifacts, and sometimes even weapons lost to time. Come along for the ride as we uncover secrets, clean our waterways, and dive into the unknown with Prime Time Magnet Fishing.